What are we having for dinner, honey? We are having pizza, darling. Did I hear pizza? Yes, that's right. Your favorite parent just ordered some pizza. I love you both equally. What about you, Mina? Who do you love more, me or your dad? I don't know. This is a hard question. You can tell us. Mommy. Oh my God. My heart. But I still love you, Dad. Love you too, baby. Pizza is here. Come grab a piece, everyone. This pizza is so good. Where did you get it, Dad? At the local shop. I think they just changed their chef. Well, it is really tasty. Let's eat it again soon. John, I want a pet. A pet? Which pet do you want? I don't know. A cat? Nah, cats are too lazy. How about a spider? Ew, no. I hate spiders. You know that, don't you? I'm just joking. Why don't we get a dog? A dog sounds nice. I want a little puppy. I want a bigger dog so we can take it outside to play. No, a small dog is better. That way we can cuddle with it. That is also true. Why don't we ask our parents about it first before making a decision? Okay. Mom? Dad? What do you think about getting a dog as a pet? That's fine. But you and your sister need to take good care of it. We know. We are just wondering if we should get a small or big one. A small one would fit our family better since we don't have a yard. See? I told you. John, wake up. It's 7 already. 5 more minutes, Mom. Please let me sleep. You need to get up for school, or else you are going to be late, baby. I know, but 7 is still early. Just give me a few more minutes, okay? No, you need to get to school early for your science exam. Remember? You told me to wake you up early. Science exam? Oh no! I forgot about it. Why didn't my alarm clock go off? Okay, I'm up. Hello, is this John's mom? Oh, hi. Yes. This is her. May I ask who I am talking to? I am John's teacher. I am calling to talk to you about his performance at school. I see. Well, is there anything wrong with it? I am sad to tell you that he is not doing very well academically, especially in science. This is his weakest subject. Also, he was very talkative during today's exam. Oh, I am so sorry. Thank you for informing me about this. I will have to talk with my son when he comes home from school today. Yes, that is a good idea. If there is anything I can help you with, please let me know. Thank you again, teacher. No problem. I really do believe that John is a bright child. He just needs a little discipline. I get it. Thank you. Well, talk to you later. I hope everything is going to be fine. Hi, honey. How was school? Hey, Mom. It was fine. Boring as ever. Boring? Why so? Can you tell me? Because I don't understand anything, Mom. I don't want to go to school anymore. What subjects do you find the hardest, son? I don't know. Math? History as well. It's so boring. What about science? Oh my God. Don't get me started on science. I probably failed today's exam for it. It's okay. I understand. When I was your age, I wasn't good at science either. But Grandpa took time off of work to help me do my homework, so I improved a lot. Do you want me to help you, honey? We can try together. That sounds great, Mom. Thank you. Hello, John's mom, right? Yes, you must be John's teacher. Nice to finally meet you. Nice to meet you too. Please, have a seat. Thank you. I was informed that you wanted to see me in person. Yes, that is right. Is there anything wrong? Has John done something bad again? Not really. I wanted to inform you that John has surprisingly made a big improvement in his performance at school. Wow, are you serious? Yes, he has been staying back after school for extra classes and group work. His friends have helped him a lot as well for the past few weeks. That is amazing. I cannot thank you and John's friends enough. No, don't thank us. Thank John. He has really tried so hard this time, and I can see immediate results from his efforts. I am very glad to hear this, teacher. John, Mina, time for bed. Aw, can we play a bit more, Mommy? There is no school tomorrow. No, baby. You can play tomorrow morning, can't you? Besides, it's already past your regular bedtime. I know, Mom, but we are having a lot of fun. I don't want to sleep yet. Okay, tell you what. If you go to bed now, I will read you a story. How does that sound? Aw, I don't like hearing stories. I do. Could you read me 2 stories, Mommy? You see, John? Your sister listens to me more than you. Ugh, fine. Let me clean up these toys first. Good boy. Mina, help your brother clean as well, please. Okay, Mommy.
I'm exhausted. Me too. Shopping is a big job. Yes, it is. Shopping is very hard work. Would you like a cup of tea? Can I have a cup of coffee, please? Coffee? Oh dear, I still haven't bought any coffee yet. Oh, it's okay. Tea is fine. Okay. Oh, try on your new things for me. Oh, okay. Hello, hello. Who is this? Eric? Yes, this is Layla Johnson. Mary? Hold on, please. I'll call her. Mary! Telephone! Hello? Eric! Yes, it's very nice here. You're back in London? Uh-huh. Yes, on Saturday night? Okay. Okay. Bye-bye. Who is that? Oh, Eric. He's back in London. He's staying in King's Cross. Oh? Is he your boyfriend? Who? Eric? No, he's my classmate. Oh, how delightful! I think we'll go to see a film on Saturday night. Oh, that will be very nice for you. How old is Eric? He's 25. Is he married? No, he isn't married. Does he have any children? No, he isn't married. Oh, right, of course. You did say he is single. Oh, come on. I want a fashion show. Look at that gorgeous coat. Is it too small? Too fluffy? It's perfect. Are the shoes too high? No, they're perfect. Is the dress too low? No. Too tight? No, darling, you look fantastic. Thank you.
My goodness, is that you, Mary?
Hello. What are you doing at home?
Sam isn't well. He has a cold.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let's get something delicious for dinner. Takeaway? Yes. Fish and chips?
Yeah.
Good evening. Good evening. Boarding pass, please. Here it is. Go straight ahead and then take a left. Okay, thank you. Enjoy your flight. Good evening.
Oh, good evening.
Boarding pass, please.
Certainly. Here it is.
Thank you. Go straight ahead and take a left.
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy your flight.
This is your captain, and I'd like to welcome you aboard Flight 226.
Hi, my name's Tim.
My name is Layla.
Have you been on holiday in Bangkok?
No, I work there.
Oh, where are you from?
I'm from America.
Really? Me too.
Do you work in Bangkok too?
Yes, I do work in Bangkok.
Where do you live?
I live on Sukhumvit Road. And where do you live?
I live on Sukhumvit too.
Really? And which side do you live on?
I live on side 55. Where do you live?
I live on side 71.
So, why are you going to England?
I'm going to visit my best friend. He works in London.
I'm going to stay with my friends in London too.
So, how long will you be staying?
I'll be staying for 2 weeks.
We have a lot in common.
Yes, we do have a lot in common.
And this is your captain, and I'd like to welcome you aboard Flight 226.
Good morning, sir.
Hello.
Could I see your passport and visa documentation?
Yes, here they are.
Is this your first visit to the United Kingdom?
Yes, it is.
And where will you be staying?
With my friend in London.
And how long will you be staying?
I'll be staying for 2 weeks.
Do you have anything to declare?
No, I do not have anything to declare.
Good. Everything seems to be in order. Please enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Could you tell me where the baggage claim is?
Follow the signs to your left, please.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Okay. No problem. Okay. Thanks for calling. Goodbye.
David!
Tim! How are you?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. And you look great.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, how was your flight over?
Oh, it was quite a long flight.
How many hours did it take?
It took 12 hours.
Did you have to stop anywhere on the way?
No, it was a direct flight. Is your home far from the airport?
No, only 40 minutes.
Oh, how long would the journey be by bus?
It would take about 60 minutes.
Okay. Is there going to be a lot of traffic?
Oh no, the traffic should be light.
In Bangkok, traffic is not very good.
Really? Has the new SkyTrain made it any better?
Yes, it has helped to make it better.
Hey, alright. Are you ready to go?
Yes, I'm ready.
Alright.